celebrate Thunderbirds and welcome to our October 2021 virtual assembly. October awards are presented for academics and our character trait of the month, respect. At Willmore, respect is following the golden rule. I treat others the way I want to be treated. Getting to school on time, following rules, listening when others are speaking, and saying, please, thank you, I'm sorry, and excuse me. TK through Kinder awards in academics are awarded to Luca Carr, Mateo Mayorga, Maya Juarez, Molly Scott, Oliver Areola, Zulen Belacchio, and Fa Li Do. TK through Kinder awards in the area of character awarded to Diego Hernandez Aguilar, Lucy Martinez, Olivia Romero, Patrick Anderson III, Leo Quiroz, Ivan Broussard, and Lupita Pinto. First through second grade awards in academics are presented to Eva Gutierrez Frias, Alexis Lopez, Vienna Tran, Noah Garcia, Angel Huang, Trace Gilmore, Aaliyah Palacios, and Lucero Maldonado. First through second grade awards in character are awarded to Aiden Mora, Victoria Gonzalez, Aiden Gaitan, Christopher Vasquez, Abraham Gonzalez, Yara Shearer, Saul Avila Pineda, and Patrick Nguyen. Third through fifth grade awards in academics are awarded to Sebastian Quiroz, Alondra Arroyo, Van Law, Eric Salazar, Austin Ring, Hoa Nguyen, Makua Custodio, David Lee, Hien Nguyen, and Catherine Nguyen. Third through fifth grade awards in character go to Daisy Romero, Rafael Moreno Villalobos, Natalie Munoz, Victoria Garcia, Amari McCoy, Angeline Rivera, Camilo Valdez, Christopher Velasquez, Bai Din, Liliana Favi, and Kathy Ho. Thunderbirds, we are celebrating October birthdays.
Happy
Birthday
to you.
Feliz
Cumpleaños.
Happy
Birthday
to
you.
Que
La
Feliz.
and many more.
y muchos más.
We nailed it.
Happy birthday to Victoria Pedraza, Sophia Chamberlain, Natalie Cueva, Rafael Cardona Perlman, Amelia Tabany, Mia Carrasco, Vincent Broussard, Austin Ring, Mason Gaitan, Ann Doe, Chloe Trung, Laura Vizcara, Dylan Tran, Olivia Rivera, Joaquin Borsegui, Angeline Rivera, and William Robolledo. Thunderbirds, this is a new award. It is our kindness award. It will be rewarded to those that have shown the ultimate amount of kindness to our community and our classmates. And for that, I have two brave young women who were being very kind and helping another friend. I want to thank Michaela Chavez and Scarlett Niyara for being great keepers of other friends here on campus. showing tremendous kindness and coming to their help. This kindness award won't always be given. This kindness award is a special award, and it means that other people notice your kindness to everyone else. Thank you, ladies. And thank you all for joining us today. Gracias por estar con nosotros. Until next time, when our character trait is going to be responsibility. Adios.